Python datetime to string without microsecond component. I'm adding UTC time strings to Bitbucket API responses that currently only contain Amsterdam time strings. For consistency with the UTC time strings returned elsewhere, the desired format is the 3rd of November 2011 11 column 07 column 04, followed by plus 00 column 00, but that's not germane. What's the best way to create such a string, without a microsecond component, from a datetime instance with a microsecond component? I'll add the best option that's occurred to me as a possible answer, but there may well be a more elegant solution. Edit. I should mention that I'm not actually printing the current time. I use datetime.now to provide a quick example. So the solution should not assume that any datetime instances it receives will include microsecond components.
If you want to format a datetime object in a specific format that is different from the standard format, it's best to explicitly specify that format. See the documentation of datetime.strophtime for an explanation of the %directives. Starting from Python 3.6, the isoformat method is flexible enough to also produce this format.
In Python 3.6. This URL.
This is the way I do it. ISO format. You can replace the T if you don't want ISO format.
If you want to share more, please consider subscribing.